estimate from Downing & Nelson Company, we just need a few pieces of information in order to properly process your estimate and get it to you quickly. The first thing, and we're actually in a townhome right now, and the first piece of information we would need from you is a general length times width, and then also just a basic description of each room. So this is a living room and dining room combination. There is a bedroom off the back. There is a set of steps going down. This set of steps has a landing. There is a hallway right here that leads to just another bedroom. That would be all we really need for the description of the size. Some helpful information would be the color and the style of carpet. So this is an off-white carpet, and the style is plush. The other version is Berber or a very low pile commercial grade, which you don't really see in residential too often. Useful information would be also, which does not affect the price, that this home has a large traffic pattern and some staining, and anytime you can tell us what the staining is, that is really, just important for us as well. So not too much information as far as getting an estimate, but all the information you can give us will be helpful to properly process your estimate and make it as accurate as possible. Thank you for watching.